In the digital realm of 2024, making a lucrative living from the comfort of your couch isn't just a pipe dream, it's a practical reality. Gone are the days of the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Now, with the rise of AI, opportunities to generate substantial income online are not only abundant, but accessible to all. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or stepping into the online space for the first time, this method doesn't ask for your wallet, just your attention. Dive into the simplicity and potential of making money online with AI, where your financial transformation is just a few clicks away. Ready to see how? Navigating today's generative AI market, we're not just watching numbers grow, we're witnessing a seismic shift in economic potential. Valued at $29 billion in 2022, the trajectory rockets towards an anticipated $1.3 trillion by 2032. This is an exponential surge, reflecting a compound annual growth rate that turns heads and opens wallets. The strategic play isn't merely about joining the trend, it's about leading it. For those considering an entry point, now marks a critical juncture. Delay, and you face a saturated market brimming with competitors who've already staked their claims and diluted the potential. Early adopters, however, can carve out dominant positions, leveraging AI's growth to build substantial economic engines. This market expansion presents more than opportunity. It offers a playbook for those aiming not to just succeed, but dominate. As we've seen with tech predecessors, early stakes in burgeoning fields yield disproportionate rewards. With AI, you're not gambling on a promising sector, you're investing in a near certain titan of tomorrow's economy. The question isn't about if AI will permeate every industry. It's about who will steer that integration and who will merely adapt to it. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. RAS AI emerges not as a tool, but as a crucial strategic asset for entrepreneurs looking to harness the global marketplace. This sophisticated AI-driven platform enables users to translate audio and video content into over 130 languages, effectively demolishing language barriers that have traditionally impeded market expansion. For the astute entrepreneur, RAS AI offers more than translation. It provides a direct pathway to accessing broader, previously untapped audiences. Understanding its operation is straightforward. RAS AI simplifies the complex process of audio and video translation, allowing users to directly input URLs from platforms like YouTube or upload their files. The system then processes these inputs, offering options to transcribe, add subtitles, or even convert spoken content into written text into a multitude of languages. This functionality is especially beneficial for content creators and marketers who aim to produce multilingual content efficiently, ensuring their messages resonate across cultural and linguistic divides. What sets RAS AI apart is its intuitive user interface coupled with powerful backend technology. The platform supports a dynamic range of applications, from educational content creators seeking to reach out to a more diverse student base, to marketers aiming to globalize their brand reach without the overhead of extensive reshoots or hiring multilingual teams. For example, a single instructional video about a software tutorial can be translated and subtitled into dozens of languages, exponentially increasing its accessibility and viewer engagement. For entrepreneurs, the implications are profound. By using RAS AI, they can effortlessly scale their content strategies to include international markets, enhancing brand presence and engagement. This capability is not just a luxury, but a necessity in today's digitally connected world where video content dominates consumer internet traffic. The ability to quickly adapt and serve content in multiple languages can be the difference between a locally known entity and a global brand. Moreover, RAS AI's free trial encourages experimentation without upfront investment, a crucial advantage for startups and small businesses operating on tight budgets. Once the trial convinces users of its efficacy, the transition to a paid plan promises a return on investment through increased reach and engagement. This model aligns perfectly with entrepreneurial principles of lean operation and scaling business through smart, technology-driven solutions. The demand for video and audio translation services like RAS AI is not just growing, It's becoming essential in the modern digital landscape. As globalization accelerates and video content consumption expands across diverse demographic segments, the market potential for these services is vast. The internet has erased traditional geographic boundaries, creating a global marketplace where video content is king. YouTube reports over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, consuming content not just in English, but in hundreds of languages. Businesses urgently need to bridge these language barriers to tap into expansive markets. The e-learning market, valued at approximately $250 billion in 2021, is projected to grow to over $370 billion by 2026. This growth is fueled by the global thirst for accessible, personalized education. E-learning providers are increasingly turning their translation services to make their courses accessible worldwide, thereby multiplying their potential customer base. Additionally, in the corporate sphere, companies are operating more globally, necessitating effective communication across different languages. Corporate training videos, product demonstrations, and marketing materials often require translation to ensure consistent messaging across all company branches worldwide. In the entertainment sector, streaming platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime are investing heavily in making content accessible to global audiences by offering multilingual subtitles and dubbing, broadening their reach and subscriber base. Moreover, accurate translation is critical in sectors like legal and healthcare, where the consequences of miscommunication can be severe. Services that offer precise, reliable translation are increasingly sought after to support activities ranging from patient care in hospitals with diverse patient populations to international legal proceedings. The convergence of these factors creates a robust market for audio and video translation services. Enterprises that adopt these technologies can not only expand their operational territories, but also enhance their user engagement and satisfaction by delivering content that resonates culturally and linguistically with a global audience. The integration of AI tools into business strategies is no longer just a competitive edge. It's a necessity for those aiming to excel and innovate. Among these tools, Raz.AI emerges as a pivotal asset for entrepreneurs looking to harness AI for substantial economic gain. Here's a detailed exploration of how you can monetize AI, specifically through platforms like Raz.AI, without resorting to the usual tech jargon or overused sales pitches. The first method to capitalize on AI's capabilities involves leveraging freelance platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork, which are teeming with opportunities for those skilled in AI-driven services. Raz.AI, known for its prowess in translating video and audio content into multiple languages, offers freelancers a unique service to offer. The market for video translation is expansive, encompassing everything from translating YouTube videos for global audiences to offering real-time translation services for webinars and online conferences. Freelancers using Raz.AI can tap into markets that require the localization of content across sectors such as education, entertainment, and business. For example, an e-learning platform looking to expand globally might need their courses translated into several languages to reach a broader audience. By using Raz.AI to provide accurate and timely translations, a freelancer can build a reputation for reliability and quality, justifying premium charges that reflect the high value of their services. Current pricing on platforms like Fiverr shows a wide range from $5 for straightforward projects to over $200 for complex translation tasks involving technical jargon or multiple languages. This variance in pricing strategy highlights the opportunity to scale one's freelance business based on expertise and the complexity of the services offered. Transitioning from active income generated from direct services, Raz.AI also offers a lucrative affiliate marketing program that can serve as a robust passive income stream. By signing up as an affiliate, entrepreneurs can promote Raz.AI through various channels, blogs, social media, email newsletters, and earn commissions on sales made through their referral links. This program is not just an add-on, but can become a central element of an entrepreneur's digital strategy. The key to success in affiliate marketing with Raz.AI lies in how effectively one can drive traffic and convert leads into sales. Top-performing affiliates often use a combination of SEO-optimized content, engaging social media campaigns, and targeted ads to attract and convert their audience. Given the expanding market for AI tools, the potential earnings from such affiliate efforts can rival or even surpass those from direct service offerings. particularly effective strategy involves direct outreach to content creators, especially YouTubers and podcasters who continually seek to broaden their audience base globally. Offering video translation services to these content creators allows them to tap into non-English speaking markets, significantly expanding their reach and, consequently, their ad revenue and sponsorship opportunities. For instance, a YouTuber with a sizable following in the English-speaking market could potentially double their viewership by adding Spanish or Mandarin versions of their popular videos. As a service provider using Raz AI, you can facilitate this expansion by translating existing content accurately and efficiently, thereby ensuring the creator's tone, humor, and message, transcending linguistic barriers. Negotiating with these content creators requires a clear demonstration of the value added by such translations. Presenting case studies and examples where translated content has led to increased engagement can effectively seal deals. Moreover, this approach often leads to long-term contracts if the initial translations significantly impact the creator's viewership and revenue. Beyond these direct methods, integrating AI into broader digital marketing and business strategies can exponentially increase its economic impact. For example, combining AI-driven translations with SEO strategies can enhance the visibility of translated content on search engines, driving higher organic traffic without the constant cost of ads. Furthermore, as digital platforms increasingly recognize the importance of global access, the tools provided by Raz AI become indispensable in creating content that is not only linguistically accessible, but also culturally resonant with diverse audiences. This deep integration of AI into business operations isn't just about keeping pace with technological advances. It's about setting the pace, defining market trends, and capitalizing on the global shift towards more integrated, accessible, and personalized content. And also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel.